bubbly blue to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional. Skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only leading hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for taking gain into your own vein? What a shame. You're shooting aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and name this day in time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me. Yeah,
Don't go chasing water.